Is Audible worth it in 2023? My answer is that's up to you. Alright guys, I don't know what brought you here. I don't know if you just got Audible or if you have a friend or family member or a classmate or a dog or a milkman who just got Audible and they won't shut up about how great it is. But in this video I'm going to do an overview of Audible and how it works. That way you can see what all the hullabaloo is about and make the decision for yourself. I'm going to answer quite a few questions that are meant to help you kind of figure out what works best for you because they do have different options, and I'm going to make sure to include the prices in US dollars, USD. I don't know what the other D's are, but Google does. So what is Audible? Can I keep all the books that I buy forever? What about forever ever? What comes with a membership? What are the different membership options? What if you want to buy more books after using all the credits that you have? Do I get membership discounts on books? And are there any drawbacks? What if I'm not happy with how many credits my membership is giving me? Also, how is their customer service and help section? And lastly, how do I use this damn thing? Just so you guys know, there are affiliate links in the description. If you buy anything through those links, then I get commission, which helps me build this channel and keep making these videos. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam and I want to make self-growth normal because people shouldn't have to look this information up. It should just be mainstream knowledge. If you agree, then please make sure to smash that like button. What is Audible? Audible is an audiobook streaming platform. Now, their most popular membership is where you pay a monthly fee and they give you 1 credit that you can use to redeem for any book in the entire library, and you can listen to it whenever you want. That does beg the question though, can you keep the books that you buy forever? Yes, you can even keep them forever ever. This is something else that's pretty cool about credits. Even if you cancel your darn subscription, these books are yours. They are in your personal library no matter what, and unlike that stupid X, they will always be there for you. Go out and get what you deserve. 2023. But is that all that comes with the monthly fee? No, you get a whole catalog of stuff you can listen to whenever you want. This is called their Audible Plus catalog. It has all sorts of stuff in it that I'm going to talk about in just a second, but at a glance, what are the membership options? There are 2 of them. There's Audible Plus and there's Audible Premium Plus. Plus lets you listen to their Audible Plus catalog 24/7. It consists of select content like audiobooks, podcasts, and sleep programs. You can access the Audible Plus catalog on your computer on the upper left where it says Plus catalog, or on your phone at the bottom of the screen under Discover, and then hitting Audible Plus near the top. They put out new content every week too, and you can look through it by genre. So if you're looking for some business advice, maybe get your startup game on, that's there. Maybe you want something to listen to with your kids, that's there. And maybe you want to listen to some romance, feeling a little romantic this week, that's there too. But they got all sorts of stuff. The second option is Premium Plus. This gives you all access to the Plus catalog, and you get 1 credit every month that you can use to redeem any book in the library. This could be literally any book on the platform, regardless of how much it costs. I don't care if that book is $20 or $200. Audiobooks can be kind of expensive, guys. A credit will have you covered, and it usually costs much less. When there are exceptions to that, I'll talk about that later in the video. But what if after using your monthly credit, you want to listen to more books? You can always buy more credits. I don't know why this is, but they only let you buy 3 at a time. Not 2 or 1 or 4, just 3. I made a video about how to do this, and I'll drop a link in the description below. Do books come with a membership discount? Yes, they do, and it's a fire discount. In fact, they'll actually do you one better. According to their site, with Audible Premium Plus, the one where you get 1 credit per month, and when you can buy 3 credits at a time for a discounted rate, all books are 30% off, which is great when you don't want to buy 3 credits all at once, and you only need that 1 extra book this month. They also have like 2-for-1 deals, usually on holidays. Something new that they have is also the Audible Daily Deal, where they give you an extra discounted price on a specific book that changes every day. Are there any drawbacks to Audible? Yes, there is one, and for now, there's not really a way around it. Audible is just, guys, it's not like Netflix, where you can just listen to any audiobook you want all the time as long as you're paying 1, monthly subscription fee. I don't know why this is, but if you want to listen to audiobooks very regularly, pretty much no other option in terms of competitors matches that ideal. Even Spotify, I don't know if you know this, but Spotify has audiobooks too now. The thing is, that's not even the same as their music, where you pay a certain amount a month and you listen all you want. And let me tell you, I've lost sleep over some of the comments. Not actually. In fact, I have a very normal sleep schedule. But some of the comments I've gotten on my other Audible videos talking about this. On top of writing and publishing the book, audiobook production costs are high enough that these platforms feel the need to accommodate that, and they just haven't found a way to decentralize audiobooks like they have with music, movies, and shows. Audible's solution to this, for now, aside from all these crazy discounts and low prices for credits and deals and whatnot, is basically just the Plus catalog. Because it's like you're not paying paying for all access to unlimited content across the entire platform, but you still are paying for unlimited content that you can listen to whenever. I don't know if I mentioned this, but the Plus catalog, they change it every week. They add all sorts of stuff every week. People argue that this is a big deal too, because there's a lot of extra content that Audible Plus gives you. The only thing is it's Audible exclusive. What this is basically like, what Audible Plus is kind of like, it's kind of like if Netflix only put out original movies and shows, and most of the time, if you want non-Netflix originals, you do have to pay extra, most of the time. But in this case, it's more than just movies and shows. Imagine if they also had meditation programs and videos specifically designed to help you go to sleep. And again, like in this case, certain popular shows or movies that aren't just Netflix original, they're also on there, and they come with that monthly subscription for free. Also, podcasts, which is pretty cool. Every now and then someone will ask me to review a book. I do book reviews primarily on this channel, nonfiction. Every now and then someone will ask me to review a book, and I'll find out I don't have to pay for it, I don't have to use a credit on it, because it's actually included with my membership on the Plus catalog. These are advantages to it, right? Whether those advantages alone are worth it is up to you. So what's the other side of this? Let's talk about it. Again, they have two membership options. There's Plus and Premium Plus. Plus is $7.95 a month as of right now when this video is being published. This is a listen all you want frenzy with select originals, audiobooks, sleep tracks, meditation programs, and podcasts, all included. And I may have downplayed this, but I don't think I've mentioned this in one of these videos, but to get all of this in one place really is something. And to have so many different options that fit your interests and lifestyle all together, it really is a good option for someone who just wants to add a lot of depth and clarity to the experience of their lifestyle. That's what I think the biggest advantage of Audible really kind of is. And again, the second option is Premium Plus. It is $14.95 a month. This gives you everything that Audible Plus does, but it also gives you 1 credit per month that you can use to redeem for any book of your choice and keep forever, even if you cancel your membership. Not to mention you get 30% off all audiobooks. Which one would I go with? Definitely Premium Plus. Again, I review nonfiction books on this channel, and not everyone is looking for like reviews of Audible originals, let alone the exact audiobooks that come with the Plus catalog. It's definitely a selection, yes, but if you're looking for specific books and you want to expand that variety of what you listen to, you can get so much more of what you want out of even that 1 credit per month, and it's discounted rates for every single book. This kind of makes you wonder, what if 1 book a month isn't enough? They have a few options beyond this, actually. One of them is a 2-book per month plan at $22.95 a month, and they also have yearly plans where you can get all the credits at once. This is the best value because the more you are paying up front, the less each credit costs. You can do the math on this. It equates. Believe me, it equates. It'll equate its way all around the equator and back. The thing is, this is for people like me, right, who are like robots and listen to like 7 million books a year. In all seriousness, guys, just think about the credits and how much each one costs. If you listen to more than 1 book a month, that 2-book a month option is probably your best bet, and you can buy more credits as needed. But if you see yourself using Audible for a while, either yearly plan might be your best bet to save you a little more. Just make sure to look at the plans, do the math, see how much each credit costs for each one, and figure out what's best for you. You can always switch plans in the future or cancel. There's no obligation. Heck, if you want, you can do their trial where for 30 days you get 1 book, or if you're a Prime member, you get 2 books for free. You can cancel and you still get to keep those books forever, even if you cancel your membership. And you can always start your membership back up again. How is their customer service? Their customer service is amazing. The help section of their site is very helpful. It's easy to navigate and understand. I use that and a lot of other things on their site as a reference for these videos to make sure I'm giving you guys the most up-to-date and accurate information about Audible. They have a very fair return policy too. I did a video about that and how to return books. I will make sure to link those videos in the description as well. Of course, things are always going to go wrong, and there are always going to be situations where you cannot find the answer online. You just can't. Very specific situations. So when you guys ask me about them and I don't know, what I found is the best thing is really just calling their helpline. These people are actually helpful, guys. It's not like calling an emergency room in Pittsburgh. They do a fantastic job. They're reasonable and accommodating. They overall just do what they can to assist you. I think the main reason for this is that Amazon takes tremendous pride in the quality of their customer service. And anyone who does not abide by that will probably be caught and fired in the act or lack thereof before answering your call. So Yeah, I'd say you're in good hands. What's their number, you ask? The Audible helpline number is 1-888-283-5051. Again, that's 1-888-283-5051. Lastly, something I always found kind of strange about Audible, though, is that sometimes a book will cost less than a credit. I have the Premium Plus annual plan. That's the one where you pay like $220 once a year and they give you 24 credits. It's like their top tier plan. I've done the math and on average it's $9.56 a credit. But there are times that I want to buy a book and it actually costs less than this. What I do is I just buy that book with money instead of the credit so I can save myself a little and use that credit on a book that costs more. What I would say is don't use credits on books that cost less than credits. What's strange to me about this is that they even have an option for you to use a credit on a book that costs less than a credit. Is that weird or am I just being weird? Or both? Maybe it's both. It's probably both. Let's be honest. And lastly, how do you use Audible? I don't know how long this video is, but I have made so many different videos about Audible. I've made maybe like 3 or 4 or 5 Audible walkthroughs, but the most recent one I think is the most helpful, like kind of where to find all of those things I mentioned, the sleep programs, the meditation, the podcasts and everything, where to search where your Audible library is, how to filter it and how to search for specific books, whether you're looking to buy them with credits or if you are looking for something through your Plus catalog. Everything I talked about in this video, I think is very comprehensive. It's probably my best video so far on Audible and how it works. And I'm gonna drop that in the link in the description as well. But that is it. I mean, is Audible worth it in 2023? Again, the answer is it's really up to you. I would do the math, I would look it over, I'd look over the membership options and I'd kind of figure out what accommodates your needs as a consumer the best, and I'd kind of go from there. I hope this video helped you guys. I've been using Audible for 6 or 7 years now, and it has changed my life more than literally anything I can name. Anything I can name that has changed my life more than Audible, like falling in love or getting into sales, that happened after I started using Audible. And what's funny is I got those things using information I learned from audiobooks. Pretty crazy, right? I really hope that over time you learn to use this app and it has an even bigger impact on you than it did on me. But let me know if there are any questions you guys have or anything else I can help you out with in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere and I'll see you then.